Papunta na sa ibang bansa ang kilalang inspirational speaker na si Nick Vujicic. Tama ba yun? Vujicic. Matapos ang matagumpay na pagsasalita niya sa Araneta Coliseum kagabi, ipinanganak na walang paa at kamay si Nick. Nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataon na makausap siya bago tumulak papuntang Vietnam at Cambodia, kung saan inamin niyang bata pa lang siya ay nagbalak na siyang magpakamatay dahil sa panlalait sa kanya ng mga kamag-aral. Narito ang report. Nakilala si Nick Vujicic dahil sa malalim na inspirasyon ng kanyang mga mensahe.
My name is Nick Vujicic, and I love traveling around the world, fishing, golfing, and swimming. I love living life. I am happy.
Mensahe ng pag-asa, kahit na tila imposible ang sitwasyon sa buhay. Ipinanganak si Nick na walang mga kamay at paa. It's quite an unusual condition. I mean, how do you explain that in simple terms?
Yeah, it's very unique that I was born without arms and legs with no medical reason. They call it phocomelia. And my brother and my sister were born after me with arms and legs. And so it's not a genetical disorder, but we know that there was a greater purpose for it.
When did you realize you were different from the rest?
When I went to school, I actually experienced a lot of bullying and teasing. And that was the first time that I felt like it was different enough, and I really started now having a self-worth that was dependent on the fact that I had no arms, no legs, and the world was telling me it wasn't a good thing.
Hirap si Nick na tanggapin noon ang kanyang kakulangan at 10 taong gulang pa lamang siya noon nang binalak niyang lunurin ang kanyang sarili. You are probably one of the youngest people that we know of who actually attempted suicide at a very, very young age. 10 years old, you tried to drown yourself in the bathtub. Is that correct?
Correct. At 8 years old was when I first thought about suicide. At age 10, I tried to commit suicide. I didn't think I'd get a job, never thought I'd get married, never have a life that was worth living, and I thought I was just a burden to my parents. So I decided to end my life, and I thought life would be better not just for them, but end my life of pain. So I got angry and I said, God, if you really want me to believe in you, I want to know an explanation. Why was I born this way? And at age 15, I finally got an answer when I read John chapter 9.
Nilalaban ng pilit ni Nick ang ideya ng pagkasawi na minsan may isang taong naniwala na kaya niyang magbigay inspirasyon sa iba.
My very, very first speaking engagement with the janitor, he invited me to speak in front of 10 people for 10 minutes when I was 17. And that got me about 11 speaking engagements. And there were only very, very small groups. Sometimes it only takes one person to believe in you and tell you that you're beautiful. Sometimes it only takes one person to say, you know what, don't worry about them. You're not only beautiful the way that you are, but you're going to go far.
Everybody say, Jesus! You still do that, right?
Ngayon ay milyon-milyon na ang nakakaharap ni Nick sa buong mundo sa kanyang pagsasalita tungkol sa pagtanggap sa sarili, pagsandigan sa Panginoon, at pag-abot sa anumang pangarap, anuman ang sitwasyon sa buhay.
You know what is worse than having no arms, no legs? Fear.
Kagabi sa Araneta Coliseum ay marami na namang nakikinig ang nadampian ng inspirasyon mula sa talambuhay ni Nick Vujicic. Dalawa na ang kanyang nasusulat na libro. Ang Unstoppable ay naging New York Times bestseller at ang bago ay pinamagatang Limitless. So when did you find love? When did love find you?
I met my wife, who at the time had a boyfriend. And when I looked at her and she looked at me, I had no idea she had a boyfriend, and we just knew. Our eyes locked, and we say today that it was like fireworks exploding.
Hindi niya inakalang siya ay karapat-dapat. Hindi niya inakala na siya ay makakatrabaho. Hindi inakalang siya ay makakarating ng malayo. Hindi inakalang siya ay makakahanap ng pag-ibig o magiging isa ring ama. Ngunit para kay Nick, walang imposible kung yayakapin mo lamang ang personal mong himala sa buhay.
Dream big and never give up. Accept the things you cannot change, and try today change the things you can. Take one day at a time, knowing that you're never alone, and I love you, and remember my smile on a rainy day. And you'll say to yourself, all right, if Nick can do it, so can I.